you are new to my channel, my name is Keena. And in today's video, I'm going to attempt to do the wet hair look. I know this look is very popular right now in the natural hair community. So this is my first time ever doing this hairstyle, so I'm a little nervous. So we're gonna see how this goes. Fingers crossed it comes out right. There's plenty of hair tutorials on how to achieve this style, but I really liked, I believe her name is Happy Girl up here on YouTube. She's a naturalista that I've been following for a while. I really liked her tutorials, so I'm gonna pretty much do exactly what she did. I've already washed my hair off camera and I've already applied leave-in conditioner and oil to my hair. The thing that is left is gel, so let's get started. So for my leave-in, I used my good old faithful Aunt Jackie's Quench leave-in conditioner. I think I just used the rest of it. Had a good run. But I really do love this leave-in conditioner. It leaves my hair so soft. I definitely need to re-up. For gel, I'll be using my Eco Styler gel. This is the coconut oil one. I like this one and the olive oil one best out of the whole entire brand. So I'm guessing with this style, you would do it like you normally would do a typical wash and go, but you're gonna be left with more of a slit back kind of effect. I'm gonna start the style like I would normally do a wash and go. I'm just gonna apply my gel. I've seen a lot of people apply a crap load of gel to their hair for this style. So that's kind of what I'm going to do. I've decided to finger shingle instead of using my Denman because I'm going for more of a wet look. I want my curls to look a little bit more defined. It so far. I'm just gonna use my Denman to kind of sweeten the top a little bit. Because you want the top to be really sleek looking. So I'm gonna apply some mousse to my hair just to keep the curls and give my hair some extra hold. I'm using my Motions styling mousse. And I'm just going to apply it just on the top, just on the top of my hair. And I'm just gonna apply it. I'm not gonna manipulate my curls. I'm just gonna apply it on top of my curls to kind of give me just some extra hold. Just some extra hold. Okay. All right. King, out the way. And I'm just gonna lay my edges, make them look a little wavy. Not really like a big baby hair kind of person. I'm more of a sleek edges kind of girl, but I guess for the style, you want them to be a little bit sleek. You want your edges to be on swim. And I'm gonna go in with some actual edge control just to make sure my edges stay in place. You want your edges to be on swim because your hairs want to be on swim, so you want your edges to kind of be on swim for this style, you know. And last but not least, I'm gonna go in with some Pump It Up. I haven't used this spritz probably since I was a kid. Like, this spritz reminds me of Easter when my hair used to be in curls. My mom used to spray a whole bunch of stuff on my head. I've been seeing a lot of girls use a spritz to kind of set their hair and set their edges. So I'm gonna give it a whirl. I'm just gonna spray some on my hands. And just lay it on my hair. Lay it on top of my head. I'm also gonna spray some more on my hand, my fingers. I'm just gonna put some of my edges. Keep things in place. Well, I'm gonna use this scarf for my edges. I'm gonna use this scarf for the rest of my head and just to lay everything else down. So I'm gonna let my hair air dry for a couple of hours. Once I'm all dolled up and everything, I'll come back to you guys. Okay, so it's been about 3 hours since I did my hair, and my hair has been tied up in these scarves. So it's the moment of truth. We're gonna see how this style came out. I'm a little nervous. Okay. Okay, so it looks like my hair is still a little damp, so it's still drying. But it looks very curly. It looks defined. Okay, we're off to a good start. All right, so let's see how the front looks. Oh, okay. It came out really cute. I like it. Waves on swivel. You see that? It's still drying, but I do like the end result. So I think what I'm gonna do is put like a bobby pin, I guess, on near my ears to kind of hold it down. I don't really know how long this style is going to last. But I guess it's one of those styles that if it gets old, I probably can just rock it in like a curly low ponytail kind of thing. So not all is lost. My hair looks shiny. It looks defined. It looks curly. It's moisturized. I like it. I really do like it. So let me put some bobby pins on and some earrings, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so I did put some bobby pins on the sides to kind of hold the style down, and it does look a lot better with the bobby pins. And I did put on some hoops. You know, the outfit is not complete without the hoops. But yes, I really do like it. I really do like how it came out. It's really cute and curly. But you guys let me know what you think, how it came out. But yes, I do thank you guys for watching. I wanted to do something different this time. You know, I feel like I do the voiceover videos a lot, so I kind of wanted to do a talking video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.